So some of you have been on the channel asking us about the A7 splitter and has it held up? It indeed has held up. It's actually broken instead of fallen off. So for those haters in the comments saying that we should have used the original screws, this is your proof in the pudding. And I think, I'm not sure when that video was filmed, maybe 3 years ago. So the splitter has been holding up quite well. So in this video, we're going to recreate that video and show you how we do it all again, but bigger, better and stronger. And also a little birdie told me that you love AUDI content. So I had to represent and wear my BMW jacket because really this is what the channel is about. But a lot of you seem to love the VAG videos.
Just a quick shout out to MCG Auto Styling, link is in the bio. Literally gave them a day's notice and they had a new splitter in stock. They probably haven't seen me in 3 years because 3 years is the last time I needed a splitter. So same again, MCG Auto Styling, all your aftermarket parts, wheels, spacers, coilovers, whatever you need, link is in the bio.
Step 1, jack up the car. Step 2, make a tea. Jokes. Step 2, clean underneath the bumper.
Oh my god, it looks so different.
Literally.
This is the car scene. Mods that you have to do again are still fun, but they just don't give any feeling because we've already done it 3 years ago. But brand new, keep them mint, driver on.
Step 3, drill out the holes on the splitter and then apply double-sided tape in the raised areas.
Yes, so the raised areas are here and maybe the side panels a bit of tiny bit just to keep it tight. Okay, so like last time, the kit comes with screws, but I'm just going to use these self-tappers. If you can see that up close and personal there, if it'll focus. Glad I got a screw fix because they're grand, do the job. Any comments?
It held on for 3 years and it's easier than taking off the whole bumper to install the bolts.
Correct. So thank you, Maxton, but no thank you. This will work.
Actually, I have a Maxton splitter on the 135 and I did use the bolts, but I still had to use self-tappers because I felt like in places it was sagging where you couldn't really get a bolt into. So I think even if you want, you can use a combination, but the self-tappers have worked very well. But if you want to use a combination, do. All right, keep the sticker on, get your drill bit, and let's drill some holes. Keeping the sticker on means you protect the surface, even though you won't see this part, but let's go. Let's install it. Okay, step 4, which maybe should have been step 1, is test fit the part to see if it'll fit the car, because sometimes Maxton splitters will only work with S-line bumpers and not the basic bumpers. Sorry if I attacked anyone by saying basic, but why are you buying an A7 if it's not S-line? Anyway, Maxton is usually very good. It fits first time, but because we already had the splitter on, we knew it was going to fit, but maybe do that at the start. We haven't been here over the winter and we've got here and both of our masking tapes are gone. So if you're more organised than us and you have masking tape, do mock it up because it's, especially if it's your first time fitting one, it's good to have it lined up so you know it's exactly in the place that you want it. But since we have existing holes, we should be okay without the masking tape, and there's 2 of us, but the masking tape is a great help if it's just you on your own. If you want to check out the content on the AUDI A6, let me know, because I am trying to plan a series for that. And if you do want to see what we do with it, let me know in the comments below. And what do you think we should do with it? Keep it OEM or make it a show car? Let me know in the comments below. Gonna use the existing washers with the screws from the bolts. We're gonna mock it up now. Once your 3 or 4 screws are in and you're happy with the placement, which we had to work on a little bit, fire away with the rest of the self-tappers.
You'll also notice I'm using washers on some of them. If you have them, use them. It'll just give you extra reinforcement. But if you don't, it doesn't really matter. You know yourself. It's actually hilarious because all the comments are going to be like, use the proper equipment, it's not going to hold. Well mate, watch the last video. I haven't changed this in 3 years. I only hit a fox yesterday and that's why I'm changing it.
So guys, that's a wrap. We've fitted the splitter. I hope you learned something new from this video. It looks absolutely insane. And maybe we do a quick run through of what actually has changed on the A7 since 3 years ago. So obviously splitter, new wheels, which have also been painted. And before people ask, this is a custom paint, so they don't actually come on the website. It's obviously on bags. And if you ever own an A7, you have to bag it. And then if we come around this side, we have a whole new exhaust system set up. So these aren't fake tips. Celtic Customs, shout out to him. He is absolutely an amazing welder, a very talented welder. So he's installed these tips, and then this is a carbon fiber diffuser, which, I mean, it speaks for itself. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.